All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Time to look at a wallet case that I've been using for at least a week now on my iPhone here, and this is by BENKS. This is the Stand Wallet ArmorGO. Obviously, it's built with KELAR because that is their thing. This is a simple packaging that it comes in, and you can check this out, read it, however you want to do it. Just want you to see what your packaging looks like. Typical BENKS packaging for an item like this. Now, they sent me over two different versions. This is just a solid black version, and I decided to use the more colorful version because I'm so used to using this one. But let's just put this aside. I'm used to using this look on a case. Now, the reason I'm using it on this particular phone is because I wanted to show you how compact this is. This is an iPhone SE, and as you can see here, it's how much room it takes up on an iPhone SE. You can see there. So imagine this on your bigger iPhone Max versions. See how it would be. So if you have a smaller iPhone like this, you are perfectly fine. If you have the Pro models, it's gonna be fine for you. This is the stand. You just kind of pop it out like that, and it goes into extending mode. And I've also done it like this as well. It's really, I mean, it's MagSafe, so you know it's gonna be highly protected on there, but you can do it all kind of ways, man. You can have it like that or like that, and it is very strong. So I think if you're worried about how strong it is, it won't fall off or anything. Like, I've tried it, it won't come off. It's a very nice magnet in here, and I think with the company BENKS, that's what you'll get. You'll get a quality product, especially when it comes to MagSafe. So just, you know, kind of bear that in mind when you're thinking about this product. If you decide to pick it up, there'll be links in the description to grab it as well. So you're probably thinking, well, Jay, how do you get your cards out of there? Well, typically when you have a wallet or something like that, you can, this is the wallet. So I just push up like that. That's how you do it. Now, how many cards you can fit in here, that's questionable. I put 4 in here, but it got a little tight, as you can see here. You can fit, I comfortably fit 4 in here, but whatever one that you want to access the most, make sure you have it at this side over here, because it gets a little tight, it gets a little snug. So I would say you can comfortably fit, like with one hand ability, 3 tops. When you get to 4, it's going to get a little snug inside of there. So just be mindful of that. So a driver's license and a credit card, that's where you're going to live, or a debit card, whichever you want to do. And then, so basically just putting 2 cards in here, you're easy going. This is 2 cards right here, easy going. You can easily have your driver's license and your debit card in here with no problem. So yeah, this is BENKS' latest standing wallet. It's called the ArmorGO, and it's actually really nice, folks. I don't think you'll have any complaints on how this product works. It's a very strong magnet on there. So, and if you put it on bigger phones, it's going to be a lot more room. But on here, I think this is nice to have it. And I've been using it on this phone instead of the Pro Max, because the Pro Max is a bigger phone, and I've just been rocking with the iPhone SE. It's just a nice, small, compact phone, and this wallet isn't big, and so it doesn't look bad. It's not adding too much, kind of doubles it off size a little bit. But when you have such a little phone like this, it feels really good. Anyway, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. To buy this product, there is a link in the description, and shout out to BENKS for sponsoring with the items. Take care.